In this question we have an integer and we need to convert that integer to a Roman number. So for example, if I have 5, then the output would be this. If I have 25, then the output would be this. If I have 45, the output would be this. So this is what I want uh, here. Now before going there, what I'll have to do, I will have to have a dictionary handy, which would be this. So before starting with the question, we will have this dictionary um, value to symbol, where we have mapping for every value we have the corresponding symbol. So this is our key, this is our value. So for every value we will have a corresponding symbol. So this is going to be our dictionary. Now that we have it, we can dry run this. We can use this dictionary to get to this number. That we'll see how. Um, Now if I have input as 548, then we will have to get to the Roman. We will get the output would be the Roman numeral. Now 548. Let me check in the dictionary. If I look at the values, which value is less than 5, immediately less than 548? Is 1000? No. It's 9000? No. It's 500. So 500 is less than 548. Now value, so I will maintain this thing, value, which would be like current value, which is 548 here, and then we will maintain a string called final, which is currently empty, but this will have the Roman depiction of the number. Now 548 is, now 500 is less than this, so we will subtract d from here. So what I'll do, since 500 is less than 548, write it here. This is current value and this is final. Now since 500, so I'll subtract 500, so I'll be left with 48, and this final would become, now corresponding to 500 we have d, so this will become d. Now 48, 90 is less than 48, no. 50 is less than 48, no. 40 is less than 40, no. 40 is less than 48. So since 40 is less than 48, I will subtract 40 from 48. I'll be left with 8. And 40 is XL. So D, after D I will append XL. Okay. Now 10 is less than 8? No. 9 is less than 8? No. 5 is less than 8. So again I will subtract 5 from 8. So I'll be left with 3. Now symbol corresponding to 5 is V. So I will append V here, DLX V. So now I'm left with 3. Now is 4 less than 3? No. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. So I'll again subtract 1 from here. I'll be left with 2. So I will append, now the symbol corresponding to 1 is I. So I'll append I, DLVI. Now I'm left with 2. Is 1 less than 2? Yes. So 1 is less than 2. So again I'll subtract 1 from here. So I'll be left with 1. Now, and also I'll append I. So DXLVII. Now here again I'm left with 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 1? So 1, yes. 1 is less than or equal to 1. So I'll again subtract 1. I'll be left with 0. And that is when we stop. And I'll append I here. So this is going to be my final Roman numeral for this number. This corresponds to 8, this is 4, and this is 500. So 548. Now I hope you found this helpful. This was an easy solve. and I will put the code for this in the description, but this is how we uh, solve the problem. I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.